Instagram successfully reviewed my video selfie and I was able to log in back into my account. What's up guys, welcome back out and Kisha's back with a brand new video idea. Okay guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. Most of the time I don't really show my face, so okay guys, on today's video I want to show you how I got back my Instagram account. So if you also struggle with getting back your Instagram account, make sure watch this video until the end. I'm going to tackle 3 problems. So before I start, I'd like to say shout out to these people. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you also need shout out, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you'll get a shout out on my next video. Okay guys, first of all I want to know is, guys, only Instagram can be able to help you to get back your Instagram account. Do not inbox these people. Do not inbox. Those people are scammers. Right? Those people are scammers. So do not inbox anyone else. Okay. First problem that I'm going to talk about is taking video selfie. The second one is submitting. The third one is how to get back your account. Right? So for me, my account wasn't hacked, so I don't know what really happened. I just woke up one day when I was trying to log in, then boom, they told me to submit my video selfie. So I've been trying to submit it again and again, and they've been rejecting it. So on the first time, I selected this. Right, I selected this, that the code was sent to the mobile number. I changed my mobile number before, so I don't know why Instagram decided to send the code to the number that I do not even use anymore. So none on the list. So you can go, if they hack your account, maybe you can choose it, or you can choose any other problem here. Just select, right? So okay guys, now as you can see here, I'm in my email right now. So they will normally reject your video selfie within 10 minutes. They will reject it. So the problem is how you take the video selfie. That's the first problem, right? So as you can see here, this is the list of uh, Instagram emails. You can see the I've been submitting. So you can see here they said they received it. Here you can see they couldn't confirm. Let me see here. They couldn't confirm they received. So you know how this is. Okay guys, now the second problem is what to do if you can't submit the video selfie. So first of all, this is some kind of step you can complete to be able to take the video selfie. You can uninstall and install it later, even if you can just uninstall and install immediately, or you try to use a different phone, then try to submit, try to take that video selfie, then you will be able to do it. So if you successfully submitted your video selfie, then it must take you to this page. It must take you to this page. It must take you to this page. So if you can see this page, so that means the video selfie has been sent to Instagram, and you must also receive this email. Where is the email? Okay, this email. Okay, no. This email where they tell you they received your request. Right guys, now guys, as I said, do not inbox anyone who claim they can help you to get back your Instagram account. Those people are scammers. Do not inbox anyone. Okay guys, now here I want to show you how I got back my account. So you can see here it was in June. So it was in June, yes, June. Okay, it was in June. Then I tried again in, it was in, I think it was what, in July. So you can see here it was in July, just 25 July. Here you can see here they received my request. Here you can see my information was confirmed. So there was a time difference there. So let me show you what the person said here. Okay, this is what I found online, right? This is what I found online, right? This is what I found online. This thing, this one is the information that really helped me. So you can see that the sign off at 6 p.m. in California time. So anything that is submitted afterward get denied based on my experience. So basically, I think they are using robots. I think Instagram is using robot to review this request. That is why they are rejected within 10 minutes or so. So if you want to know what the timing in California, you can just go to Chrome or Google and do this. And okay, time in California. Just type time in California, then it will show you the time in California. So don't forget, you do not have to send after 6 p.m. So if it's after 6 p.m., so that means they're going to reject it automatically. So that is why you get rejected, reject, reject, reject email within 10 minutes. Right, so guys, try to submit your video before 6 p.m. in California time. So then I hope we'll get back your account based on the problem, on why your account has been blocked or whatever the reason may be. Maybe they hacked it or whatever. I don't know, guys. So but then, guys, try this, try this. And this one will really help you. Like it helped me because I was able to get back my account and no more problem with that, guys. So thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand and you like this video. If you found this video very helpful, do not forget to comment down below and ask me if you didn't understand or if you didn't understand whatever I said here, so I'll be able to reply you and help you to get back your account, just like how I got back my account. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe or your dog will dance for me. Peace out.